Yeah, yeah. Well, you see all that crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Well, it's crazy. Let me tell you, it really is crazy. But it's not what you expect, because when we got up there, we was looking for stuff like New Orleans and stuff. It's like really wild, and people taking their clothes off and stuff. It's not nothing like it.
That's what you were looking for.
It's like ordinary people like us just walking up and down the strip, going into the scene and everything.
Never been to New Orleans.
Well, that place there can get rowdy.
The craziest place I've ever been is Sturgis Motorcycle Rally
Where was that?
in South Dakota. The Sturgis
Oh yeah, I've
Motorcycle
seen that on
Rally.
TV
That's where I'm
recently.
from.
They were just talking about it recently and showing all this crazy over there. You see some crazy stuff there too.
Oh, yeah.
New Orleans is kind of crazy like that.
But it just stays crazy.
Yeah. Daytona's pretty good too when they have rallies, but the cops is really bad down there. You gotta watch them cops down there. I usually go over to New Smyrna area, which is right out of Daytona. Cops ain't bad over there. You can do basically what you want to, and go back into town during the day and get out at night. They'll arrest you.
Gotta keep the order.